All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today we are unpacking this massive, once-in-a-generation shift that's happening literally right now. We're talking about the growing divide between the people who are actively capitalizing on AI and, well, everyone else who's just kind of watching from the sidelines. We're living through this incredibly unique window of time, and it's actively splitting the world into two very distinct camps. By the time we wrap up today, you're going to understand exactly why the next 12 months could completely rewrite the trajectory of your life if you truly grasp the immense leverage that's sitting right in front of us.
Just picture this for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing other people making real money, building actual businesses, and creating absolute freedom for themselves using AI. Meanwhile, millions of people are still just scrolling, complaining in the comments, and waiting for their lives to magically improve. So it kind of forces us to ask this super urgent question: what are you doing while the future is being built? Because let's be real, the question isn't whether AI is the future. That's a done deal. The only question left on the table is what your role in it is going to be.
We are literally watching two completely different paths emerge right in front of our eyes. On one side, you have this small, hyper-focused group of people who are quietly positioning themselves for what is easily the biggest opportunity of the decade. They're the builders, the creators. And then, on the flip side, you have the masses. Millions of people who don't even realize the ground is shifting right under their feet. They're just sitting there, waiting for some magic solution to fall out of the sky and land in their lap. Now, you might be wondering, what actually separates that small group of builders from everyone else? Honestly, it isn't raw talent. I know most people genuinely believe that the winners in any new era are just these naturally gifted geniuses, but the reality is completely different. Success comes from action. The world is absolutely full of incredibly talented people who never really did anything with it. And it's not because they couldn't succeed, it's just because they waited. And while they were waiting, someone else, maybe even someone with half their talent, but twice their drive, took action, started learning, started building, and ultimately, they started winning. You've got to realize that waiting for the perfect time, or that perfect million-dollar idea, or the flawless AI tool, it's a massive trap. The future belongs to the people who move way before they even feel completely ready. It definitely does not belong to people who wait until everything feels safe and perfectly mapped out. Look, if you're waiting for the whole AI landscape to settle down and become perfectly clear before you finally jump in, well, by then, you'll have already missed the boat. And the thing is, this isn't some brand new phenomenon. It's history repeating itself. Every single generation gets their one defining opportunity, right? Back in the day, it was the real estate boom. Then, the next generation got the dawn of the internet. The generation after that had the crazy explosion of social media and YouTube. And us, right now, we have artificial intelligence. And just like people laughed at the internet in the 90s and completely doubted social media creators a decade ago, we are seeing the exact same skepticism today with AI. Trust me, the skeptics of the past always end up wishing they had started earlier. What's really fascinating here is the stark contrast in how people are looking at this in real time. Most people look at AI and they see a neat little trick for entertainment, right? Like a toy or just some fleeting internet trend. But smart people, they see something fundamentally different. They look at AI and they see pure, unadulterated leverage. They see this massive opportunity and a tool that acts as the ultimate productivity multiplier. It's the exact same technology, but a radically different mindset. Seriously, the old barriers to entry, they have completely vanished. Think about it. Just a few years ago, starting a business meant you had to hire a whole team. You needed writers, graphic designers, video editors, marketers, and you needed serious upfront cash to pay all of them. But today, it takes exactly one driven person equipped with AI. One single individual can now do the work that used to require entire corporate departments. It's literally like having a Fortune 500 C-suite living right inside your laptop. Because these incredibly powerful tools are just sitting there, ready to handle your content writing, brainstorm brilliant ideas, build entire marketing campaigns, crank out high-quality designs, and just automate all those tedious, repetitive tasks that used to eat up your whole week. The barriers are gone, and since the tools and the opportunity are so widely available now, excuses just don't cut it anymore. The only missing ingredient is your willingness to act. Okay, I want to take a quick breath here because this brings us to a harsh but really necessary truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not the government, and certainly not your boss. Nobody. The trajectory of your entire life is sitting firmly in your own hands. But here is the truly empowering part. The exact second you accept that your dream life is 100% your responsibility, you become incredibly dangerous. You completely stop waiting for help. Most people are going to spend the next few years just blaming their circumstances, blaming the economy, complaining about their lack of resources. But the winners? They'll take those exact same years and use AI to actually build solutions. That is precisely why they end up in entirely different stratospheres in life. It really comes down to this mindset divide. When presented with AI, the loser mindset always asks, will this actually work? They hyper-focus on every single obstacle, and they just wait around until they magically feel motivated to try. The winner mindset, though, asks a fundamentally different question. How can I make this work? They aggressively hunt for the opportunities hiding inside those obstacles, and instead of waiting for some fleeting feeling of motivation, they just build discipline. And discipline is the ultimate separator here. Motivation is cheap, right? It comes and goes with your mood or how much sleep you got, but discipline stays. Discipline is the trait that shows up when you are dead tired and you do not feel like working. It's the engine that keeps you grinding forward when everyone else throws their hands up and quits. Way more than talent, way more than luck, discipline is the specific mechanism that turns completely ordinary people into extraordinary performers. As we watch this AI gold rush happening all around us, keeping this perspective is absolutely crucial. Just like every single major boom before it, the vast majority of people will ignore it, watch others get rich, and then say, man, I wish I had started earlier. Don't let that be you. Your biggest regret in life isn't going to be that you tried something new and failed. No way! Your absolute biggest regret will be looking back in 10 years and realizing you completely ignored the greatest wealth-building opportunity of our generation without even giving it a shot. Let's ground this in some actual hard math, okay? Just imagine where you could be exactly 1 year from today. If you commit to spending just 2 hours every single day learning AI, studying business, mastering marketing, and picking up valuable skills, that equals over 700 hours in a single year. 700! Just think about the sheer magnitude of that number. That is 700 hours of intense, focused growth. 700 hours of actively becoming a stronger, far more capable version of yourself. Do you realize how drastically your life could transform with that kind of investment? Your income could scale exponentially, your confidence would skyrocket, and your entire future could be totally rewritten. But all of these amazing transformations share one very strict condition. They only happen if you start right now. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, right now. Time, the world, and artificial intelligence, they are not slowing down to wait for you to catch up. If you stand still, you are going to get left behind. So your immediate next steps are crystal clear. Learn the tools, build something real, create undeniable value, and take decisive action to save yourself. Tonight, before your head even hits the pillow, I want you to sit with one very honest, very uncomfortable question. Am I building my future, or am I just watching other people build theirs? You hold the power to save yourself. The tools are literally right at your fingertips. The choice of which side of history you want to be on is entirely yours. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next explainer.